Very good morning, children. Sairam. So, in today's class, we are going to learn grammar part of the lesson Whale in the Sky. Okay. So, in the previous class itself, we have started the grammar part, isn't it? So, today we are going to continue with that. Okay. So, what was the grammar we have learned in the previous class? Articles, isn't it? So the uses of a and an we have learnt in the previous class, isn't it? So where do we use the article an? Before the words starting with vowels, isn't it? So then where do we use the article a? Before the words starting with consonants. Okay. So today also we are going to continue with that. Okay. So fill in the blanks using a or an. One has been done for you. So this questions we have learnt in the previous class itself. So just we revise. So, okay. Just we will revise it. Okay, children. See the first sentence. I saw an elephant in the zoo. And they have used the article an, isn't it? Because the word elephant starts with the letter E. E is a vowel, isn't it? So they have written an before the word elephant. Okay. See the second sentence. Do you have dash yellow ribbon? Do you have dash yellow ribbon? Which one will come, a or an? Do you have dash yellow ribbon? So yellow starts with Y. Y is not a vowel. So do you have a yellow ribbon? Okay. Do you have a yellow ribbon? Is it clear? Yes. Third sentence. Meena gave me dash chocolate. Meena gave me dash chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate is a singular and starts with the letter C. C is a consonant, not a vowel, isn't it? So we have to write A. Meena gave me a chocolate. Okay. Meena gave me a chocolate. Fourth sentence. I want dash answer to this question. I want dash answer to this question. So the word answer starts with the letter A. A is a vowel, isn't it? So we have to write an. I want an answer to this question. Okay. I want an answer to this question. Okay. Next question, fifth one. My mother needs dash orange, dash pear and dash egg for this dish. My mother needs dash orange, dash pear and dash egg for this dish. So orange is a singular and it starts with the letter O. O is a vowel. So we have to write and before the word orange. Okay. My mother needs an orange dash pear. Pear is also singular. It represents only one pear. Okay. So it is a singular and the word pear starts with the letter P. P is a consonant. So we have to write a pear. Okay. A pear and dash egg. Egg is also singular. It represents only one egg. Okay. And the word egg starts with the letter E. E is vowel or consonant? E is a vowel. So we have to write and before the word egg. Okay. An egg for this dish. Okay. My mother needs an orange, a pear and an egg for this dish. Is it clear, children? Yes. So far we have learnt about only two articles, a and an, isn't it? So there is one more article. What is that? The, isn't it? The. So we will learn about that. Okay. We use the before words that we have already spoken about. Okay. We use the article the before the words that we have already spoken about. Okay. For example, she gave me a painting. She gave me a painting. The painting is beautiful. So, we have discussed the painting in the previous sentence itself. So, they have written the article the before the word painting instead of writing a. Okay. Because we have discussed this painting in the previous sentence itself. So, they use the word, the article the before the word painting. Okay. So, we use the article the before the words that we have discussed already. That means we have discussed in the previous sentence itself. Okay. Have you all understood? Yes. So we are going to fill in these blanks using the articles a, an or the. Okay. So fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Okay. So look at the first sentence. I found dash umbrella in the playground. Dash umbrella belongs to Geeta. I found dash umbrella in the playground. Dash umbrella. So umbrella is a singular. It represents only one umbrella. And the word umbrella starts with the letter U. U is a vowel. So, we have to write an. Okay, I found an umbrella in the playground. Next, dash umbrella belongs to Geeta. Dash umbrella. So, we have discussed about this umbrella in the previous sentence itself, isn't it? So, we have to write the umbrella. The umbrella belongs to Geeta. Okay, so we use the article the before the words we have discussed already. Okay, in this sentence we have discussed about this umbrella in the previous sentence itself. So we have used the article the before the word umbrella, even though the word umbrella starts with vowel. Okay. Even though the word umbrella starts with the letter vowel. Okay. See the second sentence. We are going on dash picnic tomorrow. We are going on dash picnic tomorrow. Picnic is a singular. So it starts with the consonant P. Okay, so which one should come? A. Okay, we are going on a picnic tomorrow. Okay. Look at the third sentence. She bought dash pair of shoes. Dash shoes are in that box. She bought dash pair of shoes. Dash shoes are in that box. So pair. It represents only one pair. So it is a singular and the word pair starts with the letter P, which is a consonant. So we have to write a. She bought a pair of shoes. And in the next sentence, dash shoes are in that box. Dash shoes. So we have discussed about these shoes in the previous sentence itself, isn't it? So we have to write, we have to use the article the. Okay, the shoes are in that box. Okay, she bought a pair of shoes. The shoes are in that box. Is it clear? Yes. Look at the fourth sentence. Do you think he will get me dash engine? Do you think he will get me dash engine? The word engine is a singular and it starts with the letter E, which is a vowel. So we have to use the article an. Okay. Do you think he will get me an engine? Okay. Okay. Then fifth sentence. The gardener had given me dash plant. Where did you keep dash plant? The gardener had given me dash plant. Plant is a singular. It represents only one plant. So it is a singular. And it starts with the letter P, which is a consonant. So we have to use the article a. Okay. The gardener had given me a plant. Where did you keep dash plant? So which article should come here? The article the should come here because we have discussed about this plant in the previous sentence itself. So we have to use the article the. Okay. The gardener had given me a plant. Where did you keep the plant? Is it clear? Yes. So we will move on to the next one. Look at these sentences. Do you know him? Do they like singing? Do we know them? Do I have to go there? So we have to use do, the word do before you, they, we, I. Okay, in the questions. Okay, if you want to ask question, then we have to use the word do before the words you, they, we, I. Okay, if the words you, they, we, I comes, then we have to use the word do. Okay. And next set of sentences. Does she dance? Does he play cricket? Does it look nice? So, if she, he, it comes, then we have to use the word does. Okay? If the words she, he, it, that means he, she, it come, then we have to use the word does. Okay? To ask any questions. Okay? See, we use do with I, you, we and they. And we use does with he, she, it. Okay, if he, she, it comes, then we have to use the word does. Okay, we use do with I, you, we, they. Okay, so based on this, we are going to fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks with do or does. One has been done for you. So they have given one example. Okay, see the first question. When do you like to eat dinner? When do you like to eat dinner? So they have used the word do because you is there. Okay, if I, you, we, they comes, then we have to use the word do. Okay, we use does with he, she or it. Okay, look at the second question. Dash she like to study in the morning. Dash she like to study in the morning. So in this question, she, the word she is there. So we have to write does. Okay, does she like to study in the morning? Okay, look at the third question. What dash they like to play? What dash they like to play? So in this question, the word they is there, isn't it? So if they comes, then which word we have to use here, do or does? They comes, then we have to use do. Okay, what do they like to play? I, you, we, they comes, then we have to use the word do. Okay, I, you, we, they. If these words are present in the question, then we have to use the word do. Okay, fourth question. Dash he go to school every day. Dash he go to school every day. So in this question, the word he is there. He. So if he, she, it comes, then we have to use, tell me, do or does? Yes, does. Okay, so does he go to school every day? Okay, fifth question. We dash our homework every day. We dash our homework every day. So in this sentence, we is there. So if I, you, we, they comes, then we have to use the word do. Okay, we do our homework every day. Is it clear? The last one. This doll is broken. This doll is broken. It dash not have a head. It dash not have a head. So in this sentence, it comes, isn't it? So if he, she or it is there, then we have to use the word does. Okay, does. It does not have a head. Okay. So if I, you, we, they comes, then we have to use do. Okay, do. If he, she, it comes, then we have to use the word does. Okay. If I, you, we, they comes, then we have to use the word do. Okay. If he, she, it comes, then we have to use the word does. Okay. Have you all understood, children? Is it clear? So copy down in your textbook. Okay. Write it neatly. Read the lesson. Okay. So that you will be cleared with the concept and spellings. Okay. Reading is very important. Okay. So study well. Stay safe. Thank you.